Fixing bad credit starts with understanding where you stand, because ignoring your debt only makes the situation worse, and awareness is always the first step toward financial recovery. When your credit score is low, it reflects missed payments and high balances. But the good news is that every negative mark can be improved with the right actions. Running out of money can feel overwhelming, yet rebuilding credit does not require wealth. It requires discipline and consistency. Carefully reviewing your credit report allows you to identify errors, because many people have incorrect negative entries that can be removed. Spotting these mistakes early gives you the opportunity to dispute them and instantly improve your credit profile. Submitting a dispute is a powerful step, as removing inaccurate information can raise your score faster than expected. Tracking your payment dates is critical, because even one late payment can damage your progress significantly. Setting reminders ensures that you never miss a due date, which builds a strong payment history over time. Automating your payments creates consistency, and consistency is one of the most important factors in credit improvement. Reducing your credit usage shows lenders that you are in control, especially when you keep your balances low. Lower utilization directly impacts your score, making it one of the fastest ways to see visible improvement. Even small amounts of income can be managed wisely when divided into clear categories like bills, savings, and debt repayment. Saving small amounts regularly builds financial stability, even if progress feels slow in the beginning. Avoiding unnecessary spending helps you protect your limited resources and focus on what truly matters. As you make these changes, your credit score begins to improve gradually, reflecting your better habits. Using credit carefully instead of avoiding it completely helps you rebuild trust with lenders. Making payments on time every single month strengthens your financial credibility step by step. Consistency over time is more powerful than quick fixes, because credit repair is a long-term process. As your debt slowly decreases, you gain more control over your financial situation. The journey may start with struggle, but disciplined actions begin to create visible progress. As your credit report improves, fewer negative marks begin to appear, showing that your efforts are working. Dealing with collection accounts becomes easier when you take action instead of avoiding them. Negotiating with creditors can reduce your total debt, making repayment more manageable. Some collection entries can even be removed after payment, which helps clean your credit history. Taking control of difficult conversations builds confidence and moves you closer to financial stability. Comparing your past and current credit reports clearly shows how small actions lead to big improvements. Becoming an authorized user on a responsible account can strengthen your credit profile faster. A longer credit history adds trust, which is why maintaining older accounts can be beneficial. Limiting unnecessary credit applications protects your score from harmful inquiries. Making smart choices about when and how to apply for credit keeps your profile strong. Having a balanced mix of credit types shows lenders that you can handle different financial responsibilities. Tracking your progress regularly helps you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Using savings instead of relying on credit during emergencies prevents further debt accumulation. As your balances decrease, the burden of interest becomes lighter over time. Paying more than the minimum amount accelerates your journey out of debt. Focusing on clearing smaller debts first can build momentum and motivation to continue. Marking debts as fully paid creates a sense of achievement and reinforces positive habits. Keeping your credit usage low consistently places you in a safer financial position. With discipline, you begin to qualify for better financial opportunities. Your improved score reflects your commitment to responsible financial behavior. With a stronger credit profile, your financial report begins to reflect reliability and trustworthiness. As your score enters a healthier range, lenders start offering better terms and lower interest rates. Understanding the difference between high and low interest helps you make smarter borrowing decisions. Using credit responsibly now means making small purchases and paying them off without delay. Consistent on-time payments become a habit that protects your progress long-term. An automated system ensures that your financial responsibilities are handled without mistakes. Your savings continue to grow steadily, giving you more control over unexpected situations. Building a fully funded emergency reserve creates a safety net that keeps you out of debt. Reaching a zero debt balance is a major milestone that reflects discipline and purpose. Moving forward with a clean financial path allows you to focus on growth instead of recovery. A high credit score unlocks access to premium financial opportunities and better approvals. Carefully choosing which opportunities to accept keeps you from falling back into bad habits. Planning for long-term goals like investments and major purchases becomes more realistic. Managing multiple financial streams wisely helps you maintain balance and stability. Regularly checking your credit ensures that your progress remains protected. Looking back at your journey highlights how far consistent effort can take you. Maintaining a balance between income, spending, and saving keeps your finances healthy. A stable financial system is built on habits, not luck or quick fixes. Strong financial discipline turns temporary success into a permanent lifestyle. In the end, fixing bad credit is not about money alone.